Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. And in this video tutorial I will show you how to knit a spike stitch that I was using previously for Sage knit hat. This one. If you like this hat, you can find video tutorial previously on my YouTube channel, and there I was knitting this stitch in rounds, and here I will show you how to knit this stitch in rows. For this stitch you will need to cast on number of stitches that is multiple of 5 plus 3 extra stitches at the end and plus 2 selvage stitches. Here I am using medium worsted weight yarn and 4 millimeters knitting needles, double pointed in my case. So the first row, slip the first stitch and purl 3. Purl 3, knit 2. Purl 3, knit 2. And repeat like this till the end. And I forgot to tell you that I cast on 30 stitches for this swatch. Purl 3, knit 2. Purl 3, knit 2. At the end, purl 3 extra stitches, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 2, we are going to knit all knits and purl all purls. Slip the first stitch, you see knit 3, so knit 3, then you see purl stitches, purl 2. And repeat. Knit 3, purl 2. Repeat like this till the end. Knit 3, purl 2. At the end, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 4, slip the first stitch, purl 3, then you have 2 knit stitches, knit 1, then find between last and next stitch bars 1, 2, and insert your needle underneath the second bar and draw up a long loop. Then knit 1 again and return back to the same hole and draw up the second loop. Again, long loop. And now you have, instead of 2 stitches, you have all 4 stitches. And repeat again. Purl 3, knit 1, count 2 bars, underneath draw up a loop, again knit 1, count again 2 bars into the same place, draw up the second loop, and repeat. Purl 3, knit 1, loop, knit 1, loop, and repeat. knit 1, knit 1 loop. At the end, purl 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 4, the last one, slip the first stitch, knit 3, and now when you see a loop and the purl stitch here from this side, you make a purl 2 together once, and purl 2 together, you see a loop and the stitch, next stitch, again purl 2 together, 2, and repeat, knit 3, purl 2 together, purl 2 together, knit 3, purl 2 together, purl 2 together, knit 3, purl 2 together, purl 2 together, and go on. At the end, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. And that's it. Now you're going to repeat everything from the first row. The first row, as you remember, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, then repeat the second row, then repeat the third, and then the fourth. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching me today. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial and it was useful and clear for you. Please, if it was like this, subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I wish you all the best. Bye!